Yan, hi guys! Third day namin ni Ramon here dito sa leg of our trip in El Nido. Okay, so today guys, we have asked for this package. No, yesterday kasi was island hopping and then we had a massage. And then today, it's tour of Palawan town. Okay, and Nakpan Beach. So yeah. Mon,
What?
are you excited for today? Yeah. Parang hindi.
I don't know what to say.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will.
Shoreline lang naman with Nakpan.
You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun.
Ganda yan.
Wow!
Wow. Super, super nice. Ang lamig ng tubig. Pero ang init talaga now. This is it. But, kung maganda naman, taste init tayo today. Yan guys, tapos na kami doon sa Angkla Beach. Doon sa Nakpan Beach. How do you find the waters and the food there, Ramon?
Food, 10 out of 10. Water,
Yung water sa sea.
10 out of 10.
Oo, sobrang ganda guys. Although sabi ng namin ni Seth, no, yung kasama namin sa tour, parang like for April and May, kalmado siya. Pero for mga succeeding months, hindi na siya ganun kakalmado. Kasi sobrang init lang talaga. But the water, medyo hindi medyo no, malamig siya. Malamig talaga yung tubig, kaya ang sarap. Actually, if we're checked in there, I would have swam the whole day. Pero syempre, we have a time limit. Diba? We have to go out din. Okay? Or at we have to go out of the water. And kailangan namin kumain because hindi pa kami nagla-lunch ni Ramon. So, 10 out of 10, he ate my order. Not all of it, half kami. I ordered chicken and asal. And then he ordered truffle pasta with chicken. So, for your truffle pasta, ano yung rate mo, anak? 10 out of 10 din?
Yeah. Wait, I changed my mind about the water for the sea because plankton. 9 out of 10.
Kasi may Makati, pero not so much naman. For me, maganda pa rin. And then I tried this. I tried swimming with this. Ito yung binili ko, di ba, kay kuya para may benta siya. Ayan, tignan natin kung mag-fade to. If not, perfect. Pangligo to. As long as it has charge already. Because usually, my charger naman, they're fast charging. Like this one, Ramon. This is fast charging. So even if you use it at 1%, it's not gonna die on you.
It dies on
At this one, baka depends on the app. And maybe because of your food. Yeah, now guys, we are here in Leo Beach. So dito daw merong resorts din sila, Catherine and Piolo.
Wow!
flat harvest.
So ibang mga resorts naman dito.
There's a lot of resorts.
Uy, anak ko, ice cream. Ayun, yung kila Piolo daw. Isla Amara. May ganon. May pa-resort. Parang Boracay yung feels nito. Diyan. Ayan, dyan tayo kakain ng driver. Ayan, no. Why not? Tapos yan yung pinakadagat. So later we'll go there.
Tapos dyan lang po sa kabila yung airport.
So dito tayo kakain ng halo-halo. Ayan, uuwi na kami guys. So ang ganda na ng sunset. Pakita ko ha.
Notice me, I was still standing there.
Nakita kita anak. Ayan oh. Ganda na. Ganda ng mga puno. O diba? Again, Leo Beach. Malapit sa airport. Ang ganda no? Parang postcard. Oh, ang ganda ng shot na to. And also the shot. May mga paswing dyan. Gusto mo dyang mag-emote-emote. Volleyball. For the sporty in you. Ganon. Yan, uuwi na kami. Ang ganda rin ng namin, itinerary namin today. Nakpan Beach and then Leo Beach. Both amazing. So, sobrang parehong maganda. Now, excited na kami bumalik sa villa namin sa Lihim. Okay, then tomorrow, we'll just maximize our day in the villa and then tomorrow uwi na kami. Hi guys, good morning. So last day here in Lihim Resorts here in El Nido. Today is our flight to Manila around 4. Yes. Okay, right now, dito lang kami magsuswimming in front of the resort by the docks. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo ngayon. It's the resort, that's where we came from. And then, mababa lang yung tubig dito. Yan. So, we were told naman na we can swim here at the end of the dock. Para medyo may lalim ng konti. Swimming lang kami to maybe 30 minutes. Ayan o, ang dami ng fish dito. Ayan o, sobrang dami ng fish.
Wow!
2 yan siya pero dun dami o. Ayan o. Oh. Dito marami na talaga kasi medyo mabato ah. Ayan sila. Hindi nyo lang makita. Sa cellphone. Swimming muna kami guys. Okay, taas na naman po ng araw. Ayan guys, pauwi na kami ni Ramon. Okay, we are here at the airport. Naka-check-in na kami or just eating. Sobrang init guys, no? Parang 32 to 35 degrees ata to or baka even more. Sobrang init. Pero kahit mainit, mag-aaros kaldo tayo. Kasi yun ang nagustuhan ko. So we didn't eat lunch na sa resort kasi nag-breakfast kami. So ngayon, here in the airport while we are waiting for our flight out, we're eating our lunch right now. Okay, yan yung akin. Yan, sarap. Masarap siya in fairness. Siyempre si Ramon kahit mainit, sige rin siya sa cup noodles. Hati kami dito sa bread, ham and cheese. Yan, and then hotdog. Ayan guys, bahay na kami ni Ramon. Ramon, say hi. Hi, bahay na kami ni Ramon. Okay, and then we also ate na rin. Anong masasabi mo sa trip natin, babe? 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. Like how fun, how beautiful. For you, babe, 1 to 10. Our activities, where we went to. 9. So, ako naman, siguro pagdating sa activities, it's pretty much the same for everything sa mga El Nido resorts na napuntahan ko. Kasi, pareho lang naman yung pinupuntahan. Pagdating sa tourist spots and activities sa boat, halos pare-pareho, puro naman speedboat, ganyan. So activities basically, it's the same, no? And then, siguro ngayon lang, sobrang init talaga, no? Kaya, parang hindi ganon katagal yung pagbabad namin. So, yun lang naman. Pagdating sa resort, no? Sa akin, syempre, dun sa tatlo na puntahan ko, mas maganda pa rin yung Amanpulo talaga if you want talaga secluded, no? Yung may tahimik, parang kayo lang. Parang ganon. Kasi nga, di ba, may sarili nga siyang airport.
Wow.
Di ba? May sarili siyang landing area, landing strip. Di ba? Hindi ka doon sa Leo, hindi ganon. So, yun talaga. No? Kwarto rin. Yes, ano pa rin, Amanpulo. No? Yung mas maganda. Ang maganda naman dito, sa Lihim, overlooking kasi siya. So, yun yung wala sa Aman. No? Kasi, may overlooking din yung Aman siguro pero hindi lang kami doon nag-book, no? Sa amin kasi beachfront talaga. Like you have your own beach, you have your own shore. Parang gano'n. Sa'yo lang yun. Parang ganyan. Okay. And then, pagdating sa pagkain, hindi naman ako sobrang napawaw dito. Even before sa Kawayan Island, parang wala masyadong siguro, ang natatandaan ko talaga ay Amanpulo kasi sobrang mahal. Like isang ganon ng rice, 550 pesos. Ganon. So, mas natandaan ko yung presyo niya. Pagdating sa island, mas island feels kasi talaga yung Kawayan sa Amanpulo kasi nga island sila. Itong si Lihim kasi, siya mainland. Okay? Pero pagdating sa tubig, first Aman, pangalawa Lihim, and then last yung Kawayan. Kasi medyo mas mabato talaga sa Kawayan. Pero maganda naman, clear pa rin naman siya. Pagdating sa room, parang gustong-gusto ko rin yung room namin dito. Maganda yung Amanpulo talaga. It's just that yung room ko kasi dito with the view. So baka overall, sige, itong Lihim. Okay. Maganda rin yung room namin in fairness sa Kawayan. Tsaka talagang beachfront lang din yun. Parang isang bato lang, nandun ka na sa tubig. Parang ganun. Maganda rin yung Kawayan na room talaga namin. Ang init dun no? Nung nasa Kawayan kami, grabe, sobrang init. Ayun, so, I think still memorable, no? Dahil ito yung first date namin ni Ramon together na dalawa lang kami. So, siguro yun yung pinaka-memorable dito. Okay? Very relaxing, no? Kumbaga, parang kung ano lang gusto namin gawin, yun naman yung ginawa namin, nagawa naman namin siya, no? Service, no? Lahat kasi de butler eh. Si Kawayan ba may butler? I forgot. Pero definitely Aman meron. Okay. Maganda rin pala sa Kawayan talaga yung pool area. Basta siguro sa itsura ng resort, baka Kawayan, no? Amanpulo kasi ang laki eh. Ang laki talaga niya. So, maganda yung Amanpulo in a sense na pwede ka pang mag-bike, ganun, kasi it's really big. Okay, pero kung maliit lang yung pag-uusapan, definitely better talaga si Kawayan. Pati pool mas maganda talaga kaysa kay Lihim. Parang ganyan. Sino ba mas mahal sa kanila? I think Kawayan nga. Kawayan mas mahal. Okay. Ayan. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yun lang, no? So, thankful to God kasi, this time, hindi kami nag-shuttle. Dati kasi nag-shuttle kami, Puerto Princesa, going to El Nido, 6 hours, girl. So, this time naman, naka-air swift kami, nakabook ako early. So, 1.5 hours lang yung flight. So, thank you God for a safe flight going to El Nido and then going back here. Here in Manila. Okay, so yun yung importante. Okay, so yan. Well-rested ang lola mo. So, shout out pa rin uli kay kuya. No? Okay, niya, binili ko sa kanya. Anyway, so ready to work tomorrow, guys. Na? So, rested and relaxed. Yan. So, again, try nyo rin doon, guys. Pumunta kayo. Maganda naman siya. No, overlooking, get the, parang the higher elevation na room. Yun. So, bye, guys!